In front of me is REALME 8, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So first of all, let's open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and reach additional settings. Now mark backup and reset and go to erase all data. Here you will notice erase downloaded apps and their data, mark it, enter the password that you have, and if you truly want to erase downloaded apps altogether with their data, just tap on erase data. Confirm it one more time. Wait a couple of seconds. And now just enter the password that you have. And that's it, it has been done. So the process is finished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.